With its striking two-street frontage, larger level land and R3 zoning unlock the unlimited potential subject to council approval.
Welcome to 19 Chicago Avenue, Maroubra. I'm Stephen Stamoulis.
I'm Paul Spanidakis. Raine and Horne Maroubra, come through and take a look.
Paul, why is this property so unique?
Well, Stephen, let's have a look at the features. We've got some 530 approximately square metres of level land. We've got two-street frontage, Chicago and Portland Crescent, and both very wide frontages. I think the most appealing feature for me is its R3 zoning. Subject to council approval, look at so many development opportunities you can do here. But the house itself, Stephen, 3 bedrooms of accommodation and move straight in, nothing to be done in an area that's so close to all the amenities you require. Maroubra Beach, shopping centres, parks, schools and transport.
We look forward to seeing you at one of our open homes. Contact us today, Stephen Stamoulis or Frank Adlard.
Or Paul Spanidakis, 0411 506 007. Raine and Horne Maroubra, we look forward to helping you with your next real estate move.